And it's me, Audrey, and I'm back today with another YouTube video. Today I'm here with my brother Bennett. And we are going to be making slime. Okay, so we are going to be making two kinds of slime. Can you guess what kind of slime that is?
Fluffy slime.
And?
Slime.
What kind? And clear slime.
I knew it! I told you! We'll make both separate.
The main ingredient in fluffy slime.
Shaving cream.
And then we have glue. And we have contact solution.
Oh, yeah. Don't forget that.
Baking soda. Alright.
So, 1 bottle of Elmer's glue. Now for shaving cream, the foam kind, not gel.
You just spray it in. Okay, it doesn't tell us how much shaving cream to use.
What? Oh! Borax solution.
So for our borax, we have multi-purpose solution, contact solution.
Cool.
I think, because it says contact solution too in his recipe.
Yeah.
I think this is the borax.
It's not, Dad.
Okay, go again.
Like a little bit into it. Ooh, it's becoming slime. Maybe we should put more shaving cream in.
Yeah.
How do you know?
Shaving cream.
I think you're supposed to stir with your hands, but you know. Oh, I got good slime, Audrey.
His?
Look at Bennett's slime.
Right.
And then this is mine.
Go ahead, put it in. You gotta make it more fluffy and good. Yeah.
Okay, put some in mine. Okay. Oh shoot, my scrunchie's on. We're just gonna...
Just pretend that didn't happen, you know?
Spoon. Bennett, take my spoon out, quick.
Oh, that's alright.
So,
Bennett, don't do that!
Give me it.
What?
Okay, so I don't know how to make it less sticky. I'm pretty sure it's like lotion or something, but...
You know what I said about being sticky.
It's fine, it's
Well,
fine.
Bennett didn't hear the lecture. That I don't want it all over my house stuck to stuff.
Okay, so it's definitely slime.
Look at mine, Audrey.
Extremely sticky slime.
Mine's not that sticky.
Might need more borax. Or, oh, did you put more shaving cream in yours?
I did.
Okay.
Okay, so we have like kind of finished making our slime, but it's very, very, very sticky, like to me. It's all over, and I can't like not.
Oh, right. Mine's just.
I can't like get it off, so
Mine's just become non-sticky.
that's an issue. That's why you don't put slime.
At least I got some off. Like my mustache.
This man's really just tried to eat slime.
You have no evidence.
Well,
We are going to make clear slime and butter slime.
So she's clear slime, I'm butter
So
slime.
we don't need. Okay, so just like last time, we are going to pour in our glue.
Add about 6 pumps of lotion, shaving foam.
No, that's my spoon. Use other spoon. Stop!
We're gonna wipe it off. We're not gonna wipe it on the furniture.
Yes,
or
I know, I know.
Dad, who taught you how to make glitter glue slime?
Ruby Rose Turner.
It just looks like white fluffy slime.
Mine doesn't even look like slime.
I'm just gonna add this in.
Can you look up? Do whatever you want, Bennett.
Alright, I'll just.
You really messed this up, Bennett.
I guess, here's slime.
Slime. Okay, we're gonna add more borax.
Just mix them both.
Could do that too if you want.
Audrey, let's mix them.
Why not, honestly?
Just mix them. Mix sanitizer right now.
I'm really just gonna try to sever this.
Yeah, this is an experiment. Got some,
Dang, you're putting a lot in. I'm a Yeti.
Really nothing's happening. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. At least we made like one successful slime. Well, yeah, we made two. Two successful fluffy slimes, and then I don't know what happened to the rest of them, so I'd call this a fail, but like a half fail. Anyways, I will see you next Friday, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next Friday. Adios, muchachos.